The civil and structural engineer is the math and science whiz that produces the structural designs, setting the bones and joints to form the body of a building. A C&S engineer needs to decide how to build a solid frame and determine the location and size of every beam and column in a building. He also has to make efficient use of materials to construct the building in an environmentally sustainable manner. In other words, a C&S engineer is responsible for creating a practical and safe structure that can withstand anything the weather might bring: the wind, the sun, the rain, and the temperature changes.